Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Daryl Thompson. Thank you for joining us today in another of our series on learning how to use the EGW Writings 2 app on the iPhone. Now today what we're going to take a look at is we're going to do a series on search, and we're going to learn all the different search syntaxes on how to use the iPhone and the EGW Writings 2 app in conjunction with each other successfully. And the best way to do that is for me to demonstrate you how to do it properly. Now we're going to take a look at go to book or page. In front of me, I have open the main menu. And you'll notice in the top right hand corner where you can see the little search icon. And I'm going to tap on the little search icon there to open up our search menu. Now if I want to go directly to a book and page, let's say I want to go to Testimonies Volume 8. If I know the book code, it's very easy to come in and I can go like 5T, which is Testimonies for the Church Volume 5, and then I can come and I can put in the page number. So I put in 5T space 253 and then tap search. Now you can see when I do that I've been taken directly to, and if I scroll up to the end of the paragraph, there we go, 5T 253.1. That's how I can directly go to a paragraph within a book. Now, maybe you don't know the book code. That's not a problem. You can type in the book title as well. So say I may want to go to education, and I'll type in the word education, and I might want to go to page 57 of education. I click search, so I type education space 57, and you notice it delivers me directly to education, page 57, paragraph 1. Now I can also in search, if I so desire, put in the paragraph number, but I just need to put the page number and then a period, and then put in the paragraph number and then click search. And it will take me directly, as you can see, to education, page 57, paragraph 3. And you can see that directly there on screen. So you don't have to know the book code, but it's easier and quicker to also know them and jump straight in. Now, I don't always have to put the page or paragraph number in there. Maybe I just want to open up Steps to Christ. So I can just go Steps to Christ and then search, and it will take me directly to chapter 1 or the forward there in Steps to Christ, whichever comes first. And then I can just scroll through and read the book. Okay, so that's how you go to a book or a page or a paragraph within the EGW Writings 2 app on the iPhone. I hope that little tech tip has helped you in your navigation and the daily use of the app. Thank you for joining us. Have a nice day.